Hey guys, it's Ashley, and today I have a really fun video for you because it involves sending you presents in the mail, like physical packages from me to you. Whoa. I recently did a video where I made over a stranger's bedroom based on their Instagram. And at the end of that video, I said, hey, if you have a space that needs a makeover, tag me in a picture. I got way more pictures than I was anticipating, and it made me so excited. I loved seeing all of your spaces, but it also made me a little sad because I was like, I want to make over everybody's room. I can't come to everybody's house right this second. So in the meantime, this is what we're gonna do. This is a Q&A style video where I go through the pictures that you guys tagged me in on Instagram, and I'll be a little virtual decor consultant for you. I'll give you some suggestions, maybe even do some shopping and send you fun stuff in the mail so that you guys can have mini makeovers in your own spaces, and I get to interact with you guys more, which is amazing. I'm gonna start with the people who already sent me pictures, but definitely keep tagging me in photos of your spaces because I'd love to do more of these videos if you like them. They make me feel like Oprah, you know? So excited, let's get started. The first question I got was from @RoseGoldRiley, and this is what she said.
My bedroom needs help. I have one lamp in here and it does not do anything. It's really dark in here. I need a lamp, but I don't know what would go with this style and the pink, and I don't know. So that was my mess of a room. If anybody, Ashley, has any suggestions, throw them my way.
The pros will say that there's 3 types of lighting that you need in a room. That is ambient lighting, general lighting in the room, task lighting, like a desk lamp or a reading lamp, and then accent lighting, which is like a candle, fairy lights, that sort of thing. So you have the task lighting, so I'm gonna send you some ambient lighting and accent lighting. I found this really cute lamp that I want you to put in the far corner of the room. Then I'm also gonna send you these cute accent lights that I think would look great across from the bed. But you use your discretion, it's your room. Do what you want, I believe in you. I'm so excited to see it. Yay!
Hi guys, it's Riley. BuzzFeed sent me some stuff to make sure that my room looks perfect after just moving in. I just want to show you what they sent me. So the first thing that Ashley sent me is this awesome selenite lamp, and I love it so much. It kind of reminds me of Elsa's Snowy Castle, and that's why I put this little Olaf right next to him. And I think it's so cute.
The next question is from Megan, and she is dealing with a cluttered bookshelf. Here's what she said. SOS, my bookshelf is a cluttered mess. Can you help? Records, books, games, random junk, exclamation point. There are worse bookshelves out there. I think you're doing a good job. But there are some ways that we can spice up this bookshelf. The first is to alternate the way you are laying the books on the shelves. So lay some horizontally and some vertically, and it's just gonna make it look a little more stylized and a little less library-ish. Love the corned beef box on the top of the bookshelf, but I think there's a better use for that. If I send you a stand for the records, then maybe we can use that box to put the board games in that you have on the bottom. I love board games, I have a lot of board games, but I just find that the boxes a lot of times are just not super cute. We'll put the board games in the corned beef box, and then I'll send you some other knickknacks to jazz up the shelf in between. And I am excited about this. I think it's gonna be really cute.
Hi y'all, it's Megan. My first package from Ashley has arrived, and I've given the paper inside to Penny Lane so she can play with that while I see what's in store for us. Oh, whoa, this is super cool. It is a glass terrarium, which is way cooler than all of the junk that I currently have on my bookshelf. I have Ashley's instructions pulled up on this laptop, and I'm gonna get working on this bookshelf. All right, well, I can't stop smiling because the bookshelf is organized. I never thought I would see the day. I love this idea of having the board games in the box in between the books. I think that is genius. I think all of these suggestions have just been so great, and I'm still crazy about this turntable stand and the fact that, you know, I was able to assemble it myself, which feels pretty good. All in all, I could not thank Ashley enough. This is amazing, and I just kind of feel like a huge weight has been lifted off my shoulders with it. Feel a little bit more like an adult. I'm all about it.
The next question I got was from @DevinMeth, and here's what he had to say.
Hi, my name is Devin, and I'm gonna take you through a little short tour of my room in hopes that you see some potential in it and can make it look better. We'll start from the outside. I was going for a minimal look. I got a bed with drawers in the bottom, like a bed frame, and like a small desk, and like this TV's big, but whatever. But it's become a lot more crowded since then. Here's maybe my biggest struggle. I didn't think I needed a nightstand. I was going for that minimal look, but now everything that would be on a nightstand is overflowing, or just kind of in in that cubby.
The space is really cool, but I think you're running into a problem that a lot of people get into, and that is this misconception that minimalism means you can't own anything, which is not true at all. Minimalism basically just means that you only own purposeful, useful things, and a nightstand is definitely both purposeful and useful. So I think it is time to get you a nightstand. Although I do want to give everybody some tips about nightstands. Try to keep them as clear as possible. And then 2, a crazy suggestion, try and keep your phone away from your nightstand. I know, sounds ridiculous. It's just good for your health. I know no one's gonna do that, but if you actually do that, I will be so happy, so let me know.
Good afternoon, this is Devin Mefford here, and I'm gonna give you an update on the stuff that BuzzFeed gave me. That brings me to my favorite thing they gave me, which is this nightstand, because it's seriously I needed a nightstand, and it's doing justice to every part of my room. And I'm gonna be honest with you, BuzzFeed, they told me not to put my phone on my nightstand, not to put the charger on the nightstand. 2 days later, I already have my cord back on my nightstand.
The next question is from Amber, and she is dealing with a messy closet. The first thing I always tell people about closets is to get new hangers. I swear, if you make all your hangers match, it is a complete facelift. You don't even have to do anything. You can still have your clothes in whatever order you had them in. Just having matching hangers, it makes a world of difference. So Amber, I'm gonna send you a ton of hangers, and you're gonna put them on, and you're gonna send me back a picture, and it's gonna be great.
Hey guys, it's Amber. I just received these packages from Ashley, and I'm so excited to open them and see what I got from her. In the first box that I got from Ashley, I got hangers. I'm excited about those, and go with my room color too. And the next box, oh, they're shelf dividers, which that'll be really nice because it's really hard to keep them from falling on each other. And then I got another pack of 50 of the velvet hangers, which I'm assuming that'll be enough for my whole closet. So thank you, Ashley.
That is about all the time I have today, and also all the money that I have today. So I'm gonna cut the video off here. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments. And keep sending me pictures of your spaces because I'd love to see them and hopefully do another one of these videos in the future. Maybe I'll even send you a present. Who knows?